Hello, my name is Rachel, and welcome to our channel, Dragon Light Spirit. What you're going to see following this introduction is a transmission excerpt that was brought through by the Arcturians, an Arcturian healing team, as well as Lolly and Gaia also came in. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. I haven't even introduced Lolly. Lolly is a beautiful forest and oceanic dragon. He is emerald and he is sapphire. And so Lolly I have known since I was a little girl. We have a very strong relationship. And he is here to assist in grounding, and he's going to be adding messages as we go along. And in fact, the first message they wanted to bring through, they had me draw this card called Stargate Heart, Heart Chakra Opening, Unlocking Generosity. And what they're wanting us to focus on with this beautiful green, you notice Lolly is a beautiful green, but it's a very blue green. So there's kind of a teal vibration that also wants to come in now. And this emerald. So this is very much connected to our heart portals and the Stargate that is there at our heart portals. That portal that is within the heart chakra, that can connect you. When you focus on it, you do some breathing. Okay, they want us to do that now. So if you're up for this, you want to just relax your shoulders. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe in whatever way is comfortable for you. And but the important thing is to connect with your breath. And so give you a few moments there to connect with your breath, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your neck, uncrossing any limbs, making sure that you don't have any crossed arms or crossed legs, just having them relaxed, allowing you to receive light codes now from Gaia coming in. So Gaia wants to send us some light codes. Those are going to come up through your Earth Star chakras, and these are these emerald codes. And so they're wanting those to come up through your Earth Star chakras, moving up your legs into your root chakra. So this is about balancing the root chakra and attuning it, connecting it with your heart chakra. So just if that's okay with you, you just can say yes. And so these emerald codes coming up into the root chakra, and then moving swiftly now up into the heart chakra. So these lovely emerald codes, and they're anchoring into your heart chakra. And then now up above our heads, way up there, above the stellar gateway, there's this beautiful aqua and teal light codes that Lolly has helped drawing down, and the Arcturians are drawing down into our stellar gateway, into the soul star, also still above your head, now moving down. And there's this again, those bubbles, these beautiful little orbs coming in now through the Arcturians. They're at your crown chakra, this beautiful teal swirling there with these little silver and white bubbles, and then moving down into your third eye and doing some clearing there. These bubbles are beautiful to clear, and it's almost like a purifying agent, these little bubbles. And so clearing there at your third eye, swirling and clearing there, then moving down in through your eyes. They're going to do some clearing there if that's okay with you. Then down into your ears, down at the back of your head, at the base of your neck and your head, there at the Alta Major. That doing a little bit of clearing there, purifying there, cleansing, and then into your throat chakra, doing some beautiful clearing there. And they had me also pull the throat chakra, temple of truth, throat chakra, authenticity, self-expression. So they wanted to do some beautiful clearing there at the throat chakra. So they're doing that with these this lovely teal kind of aqua and bubbles there at the throat chakra. So very much swirling there, clearing, purifying, giving you some release there at the throat chakra. Moving down now through the channel from the throat chakra to your heart chakra. And then, if it's okay with you, anchoring these beautiful bubbles and teal light and aqua there, anchoring that into your heart chakra. Okay, this is going to help assist you in opening your heart chakra, clearing anything, any kind of debris that might be there, old disappointments, some maybe stubborn, what they're showing me as like stubborn shadows, disappointments of feeling betrayed, feeling lost, feeling lonely, those kind of feelings, loneliness, this beautiful light, these light codes, emerald codes from Gaia, the teal and aqua codes, and these bubbles coming in from Alali and the Arcturians, and they are both there anchored beautifully into your heart chakra. And it's going to continue carrying on this work. It's going, if this is okay with you, you can just say yes. You can also request this on your own after the video, or maybe you don't have time to do this right now. Do it later when you can really be relaxed and have some time to yourself. So beautiful. We'll carry on doing that work there, clearing. In order for you to open your heart portal, because there's some beautiful manifestations that want to come in. There are some beautiful, well-deserved rewards that they would love for you to receive. And this just clearing all this excess shadow there. Excess, what are they saying? Not excess. They're saying unnecessary shadow. Unnecessary suffering that when you're ready you can let go of. So this is just to help you prepare for that release. Or they're saying for some of you, you're there, you're just like, yeah, take it, let's get rid of it. So lovely, releasing. And that work will carry on. All right. Okay. Fabulous.